clean, slice, cube, and boil you some potatoes. You can put them in cubes or slices. Make sure they're clean. Make sure they're fork tender. Okay, just like that. Take you some sausage, remove casings, ground it up, cook it in some onion and garlic. Season it like you want to. I want mine spicy, so I have some spicy Italian sausage and some Cajun style sausage. Season it with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Add your meat mixture with your drained potatoes. Then throw some more meat in it. That's bacon. That's bacon. Yes, that's bacon. I fried my own. You can use bacon bits. Okay? Now, let's add some liquids. I'm going to add an entire box of chicken broth, low sodium. This is 48 ounces. Get on out of there. Then I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream for some creaminess. Turn my fire back on. Creaminess. I'm going to add about 2 cups. Okay. Then we're going to let this marry. Fill on each other and get acquainted. Just before it starts to boil, add your kale. I'm always living on the edge with this pot. It's always full to the brim. Add your kale, top it, turn it down, and let the kale get tender. I promise you it's gonna fit. Told you it was gonna fit. Do you doubt Deion Sanders? Don't doubt me. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Put a top on it. Let me get the top. Ooh, watch it for me. Watch it for me. Put a top on it, turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Turn it down. Now it's ready to plate. Once you have it in your bowl, top it with some Parmesan cheese. A little black pepper. And make sure you have some bread to slurp it with. There you have it. Zuppa Tuscana. Zuppa Tuscana Soup, you guys. For a full video, see the link. Happy Sunday.